Costa Rica is a small but incredibly diverse country located in Central America. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, rich biodiversity, and welcoming people. With both Caribbean and Pacific coastlines, as well as lush rainforests, towering mountains, and active volcanoes, Costa Rica offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. In this video, we will explore the top 10 destinations to visit in Costa Rica and discover the unique culture, traditions, and breathtaking landscapes that make this country a must-visit destination. The architecture of Costa Rica is heavily influenced by its colonial history, with a mix of Spanish, indigenous, and modern styles. One prominent example of Costa Rican architecture is the colonial-style buildings found in the capital city of San Jose. These buildings feature bright colors, arched doorways, and intricate details such as wrought iron balconies. Many of these buildings have been restored and preserved, providing a glimpse into the country's past. Another popular architectural style in Costa Rica is the traditional soda or small restaurants found throughout the country. These colorful buildings typically have a simple open-air design with a thatched roof and wooden furniture, creating a laid-back and inviting atmosphere. In recent years, there has been a rise in modern architecture in Costa Rica, particularly in the coastal areas. Luxury resorts and hotels have been built with sleek, contemporary designs that blend in with the natural surroundings. Sustainable architecture is also gaining popularity, with eco-friendly buildings that utilize renewable energy and incorporate natural elements. Costa Rican cuisine is a blend of indigenous Spanish and Afro-Caribbean influences. One of the most famous dishes is gallo pinto, a hearty breakfast dish made with rice, beans, and spices. Other popular dishes include arroz con palo chicken and rice, ceviche marinated seafood, and casado, a traditional lunch plate with rice, beans, and meat. Coffee is an essential part of Costa Rican culture and is considered some of the best in the world. The country's fertile land and ideal climate make it the perfect place for growing high-quality coffee beans. Many coffee plantations offer tours and tastings, allowing visitors to learn about the process of coffee production and sample different varieties. The people of Costa Rica are known for their friendly and laid-back nature. They take pride in their country's natural beauty and are passionate about protecting the environment. The national motto, Pura Vida, which translates to pure life, reflects their positive outlook on life and appreciation for the simple things. One of the most significant cultural traditions in Costa Rica is the annual celebration of Independence Day on September 15th. This day marks the country's independence from Spain in 1821 and is celebrated with parades, concerts, and traditional food. The traditional dance of Costa Rica is the Baile de los Diablos, or Dance of the Little Devils, which is performed to honor the indigenous culture. It is a colorful and lively dance that involves elaborate costumes and masks. Another important aspect of Costa Rican culture is the strong emphasis on family and community. Family gatherings and celebrations are common, and the extended family plays a significant role in raising children. Top 10 best destinations to visit in Costa Rica. Number 1. Manuel Antonio National Park, located on the Pacific coast. This national park is known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and abundant wildlife. Visitors can spot monkeys, sloths, and colorful birds while hiking through the park's trails. The beaches are perfect for swimming, surfing, and relaxing. Number 2. Arenal Volcano. This active volcano is a must-see for nature lovers. Visitors can hike through the surrounding rainforest, soak in natural hot springs, and even zipline over the canopy for a unique view of the volcano. At night, the glowing lava can be seen from a safe distance. Number 3. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. This biodiverse reserve is home to over 100 species of mammals, 400 species of birds, and thousands of plant species. Visitors can take guided nature walks, visit a butterfly garden, and even go on a nocturnal wildlife tour. Number 4. Tortuguero National Park, located on the Caribbean coast. This park is a prime spot for witnessing sea turtles nesting and hatching. Visitors can also explore the park's network of canals by boat, spotting monkeys, crocodiles, and other wildlife along the way. Number 5. Tamarindo. This popular beach town offers something for everyone. From surfing and snorkeling to shopping and dining, there is never a dull moment in Tamarindo. The sunsets here are also not to be missed. Number 6. Corcovado National Park. As one of the most biodiverse regions in the world, This park is a paradise for nature lovers. It is home to jaguars, tapirs, and all 4 species of Costa Rican monkeys. The hiking trails offer breathtaking views of the rainforest and coastline. Number 7. La Fortuna Waterfall. This stunning 200-foot waterfall is a must-visit for its natural beauty and refreshing swimming hole at the bottom. Visitors can take a short hike to the falls or opt for a more challenging hike through the surrounding rainforest. Number 8. Puerto Viejo de Talamanca. This laid-back beach town has a unique Afro-Caribbean vibe and offers a variety of activities such as surfing, snorkeling, and visiting a sloth sanctuary. The food and culture here are also not to be missed. Number 9. Rincon de la Vieja National Park. This park is home to the Rincon de la Vieja volcano and offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, horseback riding, and zip lining. Visitors can also relax in natural hot springs or take a dip in the park's waterfall. Number 10. Santa Teresa. This small beach town on the Nicoya Peninsula offers a more secluded and tranquil experience. Visitors can enjoy surfing, yoga, and wellness retreats while taking in the beautiful sunsets and laid-back atmosphere. Costa Rican cuisine is a vibrant fusion of flavors, reflecting the nation's rich cultural heritage and the abundance of fresh, local ingredients. From the iconic Gallo Pinto to the delightful tamal asado, the country's top 10 cuisines offer a diverse culinary experience. Influenced by indigenous Spanish and Afro-Caribbean traditions, Costa Rican dishes showcase a commitment to simple, wholesome ingredients, resulting in hearty and flavorful meals. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey through the top 10 best cuisines of Costa Rica, exploring the unique taste and cooking techniques that define this Central American culinary landscape. Number 1. Gallo Pinto, Costa Rica's national dish. Gallo Pinto is a delicious blend of rice and beans seasoned with onions, peppers, and Lozano sauce. Cook rice and beans separately. Saute diced onions and bell peppers. Mix the cooked rice and beans, then add the sautéed vegetables. Season with Lozano sauce, salt, and pepper. Stir well and serve as a flavorful side dish or main course. Number 2. Casado, a traditional meal. Casado offers a balanced plate with rice, black beans, plantains, salad, and a choice of protein like fish, chicken, or beef. Prepare rice and black beans. Cook a protein fish, chicken, or beef with your preferred spices. Serve alongside rice, black beans, plantains, and a fresh salad. Customize with Lozano sauce or salsa for added flavor. Number 3. Olla de carne. This hearty beef soup, olla de carne, features a rich broth with various vegetables, corn, and yams, creating a comforting and flavorful dish. Boil beef bones with vegetables, corn, and yams. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs. Simmer until the beef is tender. Serve the hearty olla de carne soup with rice for a comforting meal. Number 4. Ceviche. Costa Rican ceviche showcases fresh fish cured in lime juice, mixed with cilantro, onions, and peppers, resulting in a zesty and refreshing seafood delight. Dice fresh fish into small pieces. Marinate in lime juice until the fish turns opaque. Add chopped cilantro, onions, and peppers. Season with salt and pepper. Serve chilled, garnished with additional cilantro and slices of avocado. Number 5. Tamales. During celebrations, tamales become a staple. These steamed parcels of mesa, stuffed with meat and vegetables, are wrapped in banana leaves for added flavor. Make mesa dough with corn flour, lard, and broth. Spread onto soaked corn husks. Add a filling of seasoned meat and vegetables, then wrap and steam until cooked. Serve these flavorful tamales with salsa. Number 6. Chifrijo. A popular bar snack, chifrijo combines rice, black beans, pork, and avocado, topped with pico de gallo and tortilla chips, creating a savory and satisfying dish. Cook rice and black beans. Saute diced pork until crispy. Layer rice, beans, pork, and diced avocado. Top with pico de gallo and tortilla chips. Serve as a delicious and satisfying snack or appetizer. Number 7. Arroz con pollo. Arroz con pollo, a classic comfort food, features rice and chicken cooked together with vegetables, spices, and sometimes beer for a flavorful and comforting meal. Saute chicken pieces until browned. Cook rice in a mixture of broth and beer. Add vegetables, spices, and the browned chicken. Simmer until the rice is cooked. Serve this comforting dish with a side of vegetables. Number 8. Picadillo. Picadillo is a savory hash made with ground beef or pork, mixed with vegetables and often served with tortillas, creating a tasty and filling dish. Brown ground beef or pork. Sauteed onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Add the meat to the vegetables, along with diced tomatoes and seasonings. Cook until flavors meld. Serve the savory picadillo with tortillas or rice. Number 9. Sopa Negra, this black bean soup. Sopa Negra is a staple in Costa Rican cuisine. It includes a hearty mix of black beans, vegetables, and poached eggs, providing a nutritious and satisfying meal. Cook black beans with broth, onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes, and poach eggs in the simmering soup. Season with cumin, coriander, and salt. Serve this nutritious sopa negra with rice or tortillas. Number 10. Tamal asado. Tamal asado is a dessert tamal made with sweet corn masa, sugar, and butter, often flavored with cinnamon or vanilla, offering a delightful ending to a Costa Rican feast. Mix sweet corn masa with sugar, butter, and flavorings. Spread onto corn husks, fold, and steam until cooked. Serve these delightful tamal asado as a sweet treat after a savory meal. Thank you for watching the top 10 destinations to visit in Costa Rica. With its diverse landscapes, abundant wildlife, Costa Rican cuisine, and welcoming culture, there is truly something for everyone in this beautiful country. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!